we will find the area of circle in this particular video. The circle x square plus y square is equals to a square. So to find the area of this circle, first of all we have to recognize what is the center of this circle. So the center of this circle is the origin, because if we write this equation like x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equals to a square, so we can easily see that here the center of this particular circle is the origin, and the radius of this circle is a. So the area will be pi a square in general, because we know the area of a circle, which is pi and the radius square, and here the radius is a, so the area will be pi a square, but we will find it with the help of integration. This is the method to find the area of circle from integration. So in solution, first we will draw a figure of circle. So this is the circle. Right. So this is the center, which is the origin. From the given equation, it is clear that the origin is the center of given circle. So this is origin. Let it names O, and if this is the origin and the radius is a, which is given in the equation, it is clearly visible, and this radius is a. This one is also a, because we know that the all radius will be same. It is a circle. So here it is a. So this particular point will be what? A and 0. Let it name capital A. So A0 is a point of A, and in this point B, the point will be 0 and A. So we have to find the whole area of this, the area of this whole circle. So first of all we have to find the area of this first quadrant. This one is known as the first quadrant. This region is named as OAB. So what we will do, we'll find the area of OAB, and then we will multiply the area of OAB with 4, because there are 4 quadrants, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So to find this area, what we have to do, first of all we have to find the value of y from the given equation. So the value of y from the given equation is y is equals to under root a square is equals a square minus x square. From the given equation, the value of y is equals to a square minus x square. Now the area of OAB, its area is equals to the integration. Because we are finding the area with the help of integration, we have to integrate y which comes from the given equation. So integration of y with respect to x, and the limit will be the change in the particular x-axis. For example, see in this x-axis, because we are integrating with respect to x, we will see this x-axis, and we will see how much the value of x will change. Here the value of x is 0, and here the value of x is a. So the change in x is 0 to a. So here is 0. The lower limit will be 0 from 0 to a. So an upper limit will be a. Now we will integrate. The value of y is under root a square minus x square dx 0 to a. The integration of this particular quantity, is x square upon 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 it is a upon 2, and it is a square and it is x. So a square upon 2, and it is sine inverse x upon a. This is the integration. This is the integration of this particular quantity, and the limit will be 0 to a. First of all, we'll put the upper limit. So upper limit, when we put the upper limit is a. So when we put a here, this quantity will become 0. This will become the whole 0. And when we put the limit a here, it will become sine inverse 1. Because of this a, it will become sine inverse 1. So plus a square upon 2 sine inverse 1. Clear? Minus lower limit. Lower limit is 0. So we'll put 0 here. This will become, this whole quantity will become 0. Here it is also 0. This is 0. And sine inverse 0 means 0. So this will also 0. A square upon 2. Sine inverse means pi upon 2. Pi a square upon 4. This is the area of this particular region, only this particular region. But we have to find the region of, we have to find the area of a whole circle. So what we have to do is the area of whole circle. So the area of circle is equal 4 into the area of one quadrant. Area of one quadrant means OAB. 4 into area of one quadrant OAB is pi a square upon 4. So here the area will be pi a square. So we have find the area of circle with the help of integration, which is pi a square.